Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. The ROC has shifted sharply into negative territory. Bitcoin has added 2.8% in the last 3 sessions. The stochastic RSI collapsed into the oversold area. The price of gold has fallen 0.5% in the last session. The CCI has diminished into the neutral area. The price of crude oil has fallen 0.9% in the last 2 sessions. The MACD has lost steam and is currently negative.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
The rally sparked by the U.S. crude inventory data on Wednesday has fizzled out as fast as it began, reflecting the sluggish nature of markets elsewhere. European stock markets ended last week on a sour note as rising COVID numbers on the continent forced the UK government to impose stricter travel restrictions. The US dollar eased despite US yields firming. The US dollar index fell 0.20% to 93.23.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Japanese capacity utilization will be released at 2:30 GMT. The Japanese industrial production at 2:30 GMT. The US NY Empire State Manufacturing Index at 10:30 GMT. The U.S. NAHB Housing Market Index at 1200 GMT, the U.S. Overall Net Capital Flow at 1800 GMT, and the U.S. TIC Net Long-Term Transactions at 1800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.